guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can do automatic translation in Google Chrome. There are some websites or some article pages that might be in another language that you can't speak, of course. But luckily for us, Google Chrome has a feature that automatically translates these pages. But in most cases, it's gonna send you to like this page with a known language, and then the suggestion would come up for you to, and then it will ask you if you want to translate it. But there's also something that you can do to automatically translate it. Like, let's say, just follow me on this one. Click on languages when you reach settings, and then now click on advanced. Make sure that this switch is enabled for offer to send pages in another language to Google Translate. And now what you're gonna do is click on no, sorry, not this one. Let's go back. Now click on automatically translate this language. What this does actually is that when the text that this website is in a certain language, for example Japanese, as I've chosen here, it will automatically translate this website into English. And to show you, I have a Japanese keyboard here, and I'm gonna be searching up a website full Japanese in Japanese, as you can see for this one. And as you can see, it immediately translated the page into English. I didn't even click on the translate button yet, and it automatically translated the entire page to English. It's very, very convenient, and it's really that easy. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.